Hi traders. You haven't seen me in a while, and I know that you are just keen to see me and watch me doing these cool videos that are also useful for you if you are a forex trader or you just want to live a life uh, in freedom because in this crazy world I am just so fucking happy and that I have freedom because man, it is a crazy world, and if you are just attached to a company or a business or anything too much, you have the potential to fail miserably. And so this is why I always diversify my portfolios and my businesses, and it's a crazy world. And we just got back to Europe from our crazy South American trip, and there were some crazy situations, and I will make a really cool travel series, and it will be a really interesting series, and you can't imagine how many just insane things just happened to us during this trip. And so yeah, I will make this series to this channel and to our travel channel as well. So yeah, but now let's start this video, because this video is a key to for you to actually be profitable in the forex markets. And I was just watching the markets and the crypto world and how everybody is just in a panic mode, and I will talk about this situation in another video, and I will talk about it how you could just predict it, and how it is completely natural, even though there are certain people and certain happenings in the world that were crucial to this crash. But this video will be about technicals and psychological warfare against yourself and against the other participants of the market. So I have a couple of tips for you, and so I just want to see all of you make the right decisions in forex trading, and there are some reasons why you can't make those decisions in forex trading, and in this video I will talk about these reasons. The first reason is when you trade because trading is your last hope. I am also a developer, and I have another business, and I see so many people just come to me and they say that trading is their last hope because you know their their relatives are in a hospital, or they don't have any money, just $10 or $1, even $1, and they want to make like a living out of $1, and they want to make like 10,000% returns you know in a month. And so I am always just really confused how these people think, like how these people thinking like that. And I realized that okay, I didn't realize that now, but I just realized it over and over again that this fucking industry is full of scammers, and they tell people that they can make these insane returns, and therefore people just quit their jobs, and they are just depending on that one signal group or indicator or forex robot. And this is just, yeah, this is so insane, because forex trading is a really hard thing to learn. And if forex trading is your last hope, just quit watching this video and go have a job, get a job, and when you have a stable income beside forex trading, and I know it sounds really harsh, and you might even will just turn off this video and don't listen to me anymore, because, and not because you will get a job, but because you don't want to believe in the truth. But if you don't have a you know a job beside forex trading at the beginning, when you are a beginner and you learn this stuff, you will fail over and over again, because you will be so dependent on forex trading that you will make the bad decisions, because only you can make the right decisions if you are independent, if you are free. And so you have to practice and learn forex trading while you are working something, or you have the money that you need for basically for maintain your life. So this is the first thing. Even the funny thing is that even I have a I am a programmer, so that means that I am not fully dependent on forex trading. I trade forex, I trade other assets, and uh, I even trade for investors, but I prop firm, and but you know I am not dependent fully on trading, and I I don't want to be dependent on programming either, because I believe that if you know if if me as a person, as a human being, if I am just dependent on one income source, I'm completely fucked, because if that single income source is has gone, I am dead literally, or I have to learn a new profession. And you know if you have a family or something, that's fucking hard. And so don't be just dependent on one thing. Not It is not just for forex trading, but for forex trading it is even more significant, because it is a psychological warfare against yourself. And if you are a mess and you always watch your phone and you can't go away for a couple of months or a couple of weeks, and not just don't watch your phone, it is you will fail. It is just miserably. So the second thing is the following: if you think that you must win all the time, and it is related to the first thing, because if you can't fail, you will fail. And it sounds strange, but if you learn from failure, because when you are winning, and it is you know watch those bubbles, like the stock market bubbles and the crypto bubbles. Everybody is a fucking genius when there is a bull market, my friends. And bull markets are just come and go. So you will fail miserably if you can't fail, because you have to learn from your failures. And when you fail, you just write down what you did wrong, and just just learn new stuff, and apply it to your strategy, to your system. And don't just go with the crowd and invest in what is the mainstream at the moment, because it won't be a long-term business for you if you do that. um, so let yourself lose. And actually it is a funny thing, because if you really let go, things will come to you. And I think it sounds like some philosophical thing, but forex trading is much like real life, because people trade. It is a hard topic. If you are interested in this topic as well, the philosophical side of forex trading and how it relates to all life on earth, I will make a video on that. But this video is a video that will help you actually in trading. So let's continue. The third thing is, if you have debts, and you you know you have loans and you are just in a miserable place, and you want to pay that debt back to the bank or some people, and therefore you start forex trading and you just put every single penny that you have to the forex machine, to forex trading. If you do it this way, it will be a casino. It will be no other than go to Las Vegas and just put your money on blackjack or anything. And this is the reason why people think that forex trading is a scam, or it can't be, you can be profitable in forex trading, or it is just like a casino. Forex trading is actually a real business that you can make money with, but only if you can control yourself, and only if you treat it like a job and like a real thing. And I see most people actually treating forex like a casino, and they think they treat it like a job or like a serious thing, but at the end their emotions are just too dominant, and they lose control and they fail miserably. So don't be like those people. And the last thing is the fourth thing is actually really painful for me, because that is the misconception that if you if so it is just an equation: more trades equals more money. Now this is the worst mistake of all, and I see so many traders just do this. They buy scalpers over and over again, and after they just lost all their money with scalpers, they buy it again. And I have so many customers. I have actually profitable robots that are proven to be working, for bigger investors, and and so with actually real life accounts. And it is interesting because with these robots are, of course, long-term robots. They hold trades for months, even weeks, or even months, maybe. So it all depends on the market situation, because sometimes they hold the trade for 1 day or a couple of hours, but sometimes when the market is that way, they hold the trade for a month or two. And it is interesting because these robots are actually making money, but it is really difficult to let the EA trade for you. And I see so many traders just fail because they can't do it. They just want to be in an action, like an action star, always in something. And it is cool. I like action. But not in forex trading. Forex trading is fucking boring. And if, as a one of the fucking biggest investors in the world said, if forex trading is exciting for you, you are not doing something right. Because if you are a real forex trader and you are actually a professional, forex trading itself is not interesting for you or exciting. The analysis, the data, the statistics are interesting if you are, if you have a mind for that. But forex trading itself is not that exciting, because you leave a trade to actually reach its potential, and that could take months, and you have to have a life beside that, and not forex trading drives your life wherever the prices go. And that when prices go low, you are just angry with your family, with the surroundings, and when it goes up, you are happy and you are cool. And so don't let forex trading drive your emotions, your family life, your whole life, because you lose your precious minutes in this world. So yeah, I hope this video was useful for you, and you just just think about it and try to be a better trader, and don't let your emotions control you when you are trading forex or anything if you are trading. You go to go and travel and do sports, be a boxer, do some things that will calm you down, and because we are humans, we need excitement and action and stuff, and just don't let trading drive just drive you. Okay, ciao.